And with that, let's check back with meteorologist Robert Suhr on this severe day, but things have settled down. So if you're out fishing, if you wait a bit later, probably in the day, not too bad, I guess, right?
Yeah, and sometimes after it rains, it kind of stirs up the streams and creeks, and the fish become a little bit more active, so there might be better odds of you catching a fish. I am not a fisherman myself, so I will not be partaking in the free fishing weekend this weekend. But we did have some rain this morning. In fact, take a look at some of these time lapses. This is from atop Sunset Mountain. This is going to loop several times because it's a short time lapse. But what you're going to notice here is a really definitive wall cloud. There it is, sliding through, and it slid through northwest Arkansas this morning around 7 a.m., between 7 or 8 or so. That's where you get that wall cloud when you've got that real strong updraft going into the thunderstorm. It's a really good shot there. I saw some pictures on social media of that wall cloud rolling over Fayetteville, just some very dramatic pictures. Thankfully, the wall cloud was not associated with any severe thunderstorms. It came through right around the perfect time of the day where really tough to get severe weather, but we've got plenty of it here across portions of Texas, outside of Dallas, down through central Louisiana into Mississippi now. This was this morning's system, and then we're kind of in between systems here. We've got tomorrow's system to our north. This cold front will be sliding through. That will bring our next chance for rainfall. We need the rain. We are abnormally dry according to the latest drought monitor. Now, it's important to note that abnormally dry does not mean you are in a drought. It just means you're abnormally dry. That's the next step up would be a moderate drought. But you can see a large part of the country really not doing bad. Just parts of Kansas and Nebraska dealing with severe and extreme drought. If we went back a year, there would be a lot more reds on this map. So the country overall really not doing too bad in terms of drought conditions. Temperatures right now, as I said earlier, have gone nowhere since this morning, just rising by 5-10 degrees or so, mid-70s for northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. You can thank all of that cloud cover for keeping temperatures in check, and that cloud cover really not going anywhere as we go through the rest of the night. Now notice that cold front as it comes through. Along that front could be our next chance for strong to severe storms. But we could luck out again. Models are saying, well, it's going to come through right in the morning, right around sunrise or so. And it could basically just move into northwest Arkansas and miss the River Valley. You see a lot of those storms missing the River Valley. If we get clearing and it warms up tomorrow afternoon, we could have the same situation where we could see the development of some more afternoon showers and storms. But notice our winds coming out of the north here. It'll be drier air, much more comfortable air that'll be filtering in, and it's actually setting up a really nice day and a below average day on Monday. In terms of the severe weather tomorrow, best chances will be to our east. Could see an isolated storm where you're seeing the green, scattered severe storms in the yellow. But again, I think that'll be the exception rather than the rule. Some of you could be completely dry tomorrow. 60s for our lows tonight, and we'll rebound tomorrow into the 80s and maybe the 90s for the River Valley. All depends on that cloud cover yet again. But you can see overall more active weather as we go through the upcoming week. Monday looks great. Low humidity, lots of sunshine, below average temperatures. Will be 5 to 10 degrees below average Monday. Meanwhile, rain chances return as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. That could be our next chance for severe weather. Wednesday's Flag Day. We could see some storms for Flag Day, and then those rain chances go down as we head toward the second half of the week. River Valley, about the same thing. Watching for those rain and storm chances tomorrow, Tuesday, as well as Wednesday. Meredith Mulkey, she's in the studio right now, getting ready to bring you all the latest hog news that you need to know after the break.